In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an appointment on Vagaro. This process can be really straightforward, but sometimes you just need a little guidance to make sure you're doing it correctly. Whether you're managing your own appointments or you're responsible for handling bookings for a business, knowing how to do this can save you time and keep your schedule updated efficiently. Let's start from the beginning. First, you're going to want to navigate your way to the Vagaro website. This is your gateway to accessing your personal or business account, so make sure you're in a comfortable place where you can concentrate, especially if this is your first time walking through the cancellation process. Now look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labelled Login. Click on that. This is your first step in gaining access to your appointments. Logging in might sound basic, but it's crucial because it verifies who you are and prevents unauthorized access to your account. Once you've clicked on Login, you're presented with several options. For our purposes, click on Login with Google. This option allows for a seamless login experience, especially if your Vagaro account is already linked to your Google account. It simplifies the process by eliminating the need to remember another password. Upon selecting Login with Google, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you want to use. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you select the one associated with your Vagaro account. This is an important step because accidentally choosing the wrong account could confuse the process. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself facing the dashboard. Here, look for a button or link labelled Go to My Business. Clicking on this takes you to the back end of your business where all the magic happens: scheduling, client management, and of course, appointment cancellations. Next, navigate to your calendar. This is where all your scheduled appointments are neatly displayed. Calendars in appointment-based businesses serve as the heart of daily operations. By keeping a well-organized calendar, you can avoid double bookings and ensure that cancellations are updated in real time. Once you're in your calendar, it's time to locate the appointment you wish to cancel. Click on your specific appointment. It's the entry with the client's name and the scheduled time. Remember, accurate scheduling is key to customer satisfaction. So make sure you're selecting the right appointment to cancel. After clicking on the appointment, your next step is to change its status. This is done by clicking on the Change Status button. Here you're effectively telling the system what's happening with this particular appointment slot, and in our case we're marking it as cancelled. Following that, you'll see an option that says Cancel. Clicking on this button is a straightforward declaration that you or your client won't be proceeding with this appointment. Vagaro understands life happens and plans change, which is why this feature is made accessible. The last step in this process is confirmation. You will be prompted to confirm the action by clicking on OK or Confirm. This is a protective measure to ensure that appointments aren't accidentally cancelled. Once you click Confirm, the appointment is officially cancelled, freeing up that time slot in your calendar for another booking. Now, a couple of tips as we wrap up this tutorial. Always notify your client or the service provider as soon as you know an appointment needs to be cancelled. Good communication is key to maintaining healthy business relationships. Also, be sure to check if there are any cancellation policies or fees associated with late cancellations. This can vary from business to business, and being informed can help you avoid unnecessary charges. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to cancelling an appointment on Vagaro. Simple, right? By following these instructions, you can manage your or your business's schedule effectively, ensuring that your operations run smoothly. Remember, it's all about being proactive and communicative, not just with your clients, but within your scheduling system as well. Happy scheduling, and see you in our next tutorial.